Okay, today we see they are the four superstar of our institution and they are on the cycle. Fine. যদি আমরা বলি কখনো they are on the cycle তার মানে কি তারা সাইকেলে আছে and he is the red one. What's the name? Jannati is sitting on her cycle. মানে কেউ যদি সাইকেলে বসে থাকে তাহলে বলবো sit on. কি বলবো? Sit on. What's your name?
Anika Tahsil.
Anika is also sitting on her cycle. But what's the color of your cycle? It's red. It's red. Fine. And he, or not he, you or she. What's your name?
My name is Sauda.
Sorry?
My name is Sauda.
Sauda. My God. Sauda, what is this? What is this, Sauda? It's a basket. What is that? It's a basket hanging on the cycle. The basket is hanging on the cycle. মানে হচ্ছে ঝুড়িটা সাইকেলে ঝুলছে and the last one is the pink one. What's your name?
Ume Kulsa.
Kulsum. What is this, Kulsum? It's a ring of the cycle. What is that?
Green.
Or you can say it's a bell. It's a bell. Whose bell? Oh my God. Oh, nice bell. Fine. So গাড়ি চালানোর ইংলিশ কি? আমরা যদি বলি সাইকেল চালানোর ইংলিশ কি? তাহলে আসবে রাইডিং সাইকেল। কি আসবে? রাইডিং সাইকেল। So 1, 2, 3, go! Everyone go, go, go! They're riding cycle. Bye bye.